Hi everybody, this is Max Mobley, author of Mastering Autotune, published by Hal Leonard. This module takes a look at Autotune EFX2, a light version of the Autotune technology by Antares. Notice my signal chain setup here on my audio inserts. You always want your effects placed after your pitch correction plugin. It can be okay to use compressors or EQ before pitch correction, unless it amplifies noises in the track that you do not want Autotune to try to correct. Here is our tracking switch. The choices are normal and choosy. Normal works great nearly all the time. However, if you find that Autotune is not correcting all the pitches appropriately, you can try setting this to choosy. This is where you set your voice type, which also helps in the all-important pitch detection phase. Set this based on the vocal range of the track you're pitch correcting. The choices are soprano, alto tenor, baritone bass, and instrument for monophonic musical instruments. If you're not sure what to set here, use alto tenor, which is the default. Next we have the key menu, where you can pick the key of the vocal. The choices are in half steps. And then we have scale. Autotune EFX2 offers 3 types of scales: major, minor, and chromatic. Below these settings are Autotune EFX2's note buttons. These are the notes Autotune EFX2 will correct to based on the key and scale settings. Blue notes are turned on and will be used for pitch correction. Black and white notes are turned off. Just click on a note to turn it on or off. If you're not sure what scale to use, choose chromatic, and then you can always turn note buttons on or off as needed. Here is the effect type section, where you can set the type of pitch correction you want. Autotune EFX2 really caters to the vocal effect, and so the choices here are hard EFX, which offers an intense version of the vocal effect, soft EFX, which offers a lighter version of the same effect, and pitch correct, which offers standard pitch correction. At the bottom, we have the automotion section. This feature adds a melody or a pattern to the audio being processed by EFX2. Automotion can have its own effect type setting, which is managed here. This is separate from how EFX2 is already applying pitch correction. Under Select Pattern, you can choose one of the many automotion patterns included with the plugin. These can be edited, or you can make your own using Music XML. Antares has directions on how to do this on their website. The Pattern Tempo section is where you establish the timing of the pattern. Click Sync to Host to sync automotion to your project clock. When you click it, a red light will come on telling you that clock data is properly being sent to Autotune. You can use the tempo knob to set a divisor or multiplier for the project clock. If Sync to Host is not turned on, then this knob will become a traditional tempo knob. To activate an automotion pattern, simply click and hold the trigger button. Okay, let's listen to Autotune EFX2 while I put these settings to use.
With the fire in the box, the flames could only talk. It's smoke that burns my eyes, of the raven and the hawk. Hand in hand we jump, hand in hand we jump. We jump, hand in hand we jump. We jump, we jump, we jump, we jump. Down the hole we dig our secret fist bump. A quiet night in the arms of our guns. While the devil looks on wondering why he was abandoned. Good looks don't much matter when you're burning up inside. Hand in hand we jump.